everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw Beguto. Oops, I accidentally said in Nepali, which means frog. Let's start. I saw there was a park here and the frogs live there. Let's start now. First draw a line like this. Next, draw two lines like a curve like this. Another one here. Now in there, draw a circle to cover it. Now on the other one, draw another circle. And now cover it. Now here, draw a small U. Now here, draw a curve. Now on the other side, draw another curve. Next, draw a curve like this. On the other side, draw another one. Now draw a one line. Now draw circles there. Now another one on the other side. Now here, draw a line like this. I understand what these are. It could be his feet, I think. It looks like he's standing up when I look at my dad's. Now a curve like this. Now a C like this. And on the other side, draw the same thing. Now there, draw a curve, a curve, and a curve. Now circles there. And on the other side, draw the same thing. Oops, it's sitting and it's saying ribbit, ribbit. Now we're drawing flowers. I don't know how to make those, so I'll make something else. I have an idea. Now what's it then? I'm pretending he's in the garden because there's a sunflower in a pot. Now let me make. We're done actually. Now we can color. Now let's color. We're color separated colors. Okay, I'm done. A frog makes ribbits, and its neck goes up and down like it's bouncing. Now bye.